any mishaps. I don't want to get hurt doing that. So, but yeah, we got a mess to clean up. So here are the wheels again. Thank you, Ralph. Did a great job. Here's the engine bay. If you guys didn't see it before. We'll get you in a little closer. There's a little color change to it. But we got it. It's a mess in here. Got this to clean up. This to clean up. Over here, I got some empty boxes to put all this stuff in. And I gotta get all this junk back in the engine bay and on the motor. So what I'm gonna do now is get the workbench cleaned off, get this cardboard cleaned off where the dashboard is, move that out of the way, and you know, pull the motor out so I can start putting the parts back on it. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go meet up with a friend, Zachary. We're gonna bench bleed the master cylinder and get it together. Come back, throw it in the car, hook the lines up before the guy gets in Sunday, because the line's gonna run behind the motor. But anyway, 2 minutes 44 seconds in already, but let me get to it. All right. Steering lines. For this, we need a 10 mil socket or wrench. I can't find my wrench right now. And a 11/16 flare wrench. It's best to use a flare wrench, that way you don't round up the nuts, so you don't round up the hardware. Let me just put it that way. But let me go ahead and make sure I got these right. Throw them back in. There we go. Get that in place. Got one. And two. Getting this bolt back in here is going to be a pain, but you gotta tighten it down. There's a lot of pressure going in through there. I want to just leave it loose. Where did I put that flare wrench? Socket. Got to be kidding me. Just had it. Alright, wire harness is in. AC lines are in. Condenser is in. And motor's ready to go. Alright. I got Daquan over here helping me out. Kalvin, you guys say what's up, man. Hit him up. Alright. I'm gonna push the hoist. Just make sure that stays down. Going out a little bit more. Watch your fingers. Alright. Might get the
jack stand.
No, the drive shaft put in there.
Before.
Yeah, it's they can touch that. That's fine.
Okay.
The mounts ain't lining up right now. Let me see if I can get the drive shaft in there. Oh, it's nasty. Motor is in. There you go. What's up, guys? I just bolted up the two mounts. Still have the transmission mount to put in. The drive shaft is in and bolted up. Yeah, almost there. About 80%. Wire harness, brake booster, and master cylinder, clutch, master cylinder, wire harness, radiator, just a lot of items. I gave Miller my bracket for my power steering. Told him I was gonna come over there and knock it out, and I did make it over there. So I gotta wait till he comes back to get that done to throw the power steering in, but that's not gonna stop me. I'm gonna figure out a way to get the, well, I gotta wait. Power steering, the water pump is hooked up to that. And the main pulley. So I gotta wait. But it'll be worth the wait, man. Honestly. Get everything pretty much mocked up to go. Alright guys, but I'm gonna try a little something with this. Try something here with the spark plug wires. This is one of the items Wire Kit sent me in my little care package. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it real quick. If it works, you guys get to see. So hang tight. So you see what I'm getting at here. I got new 2-inch headers that's going on here, and later on the turbo, which is going to put out a lot of heat. So this will come in real handy for running here. But I went ahead and cut it too soon before I realized I could run it the whole length all the way down. So I screwed that up. But it's alright. I know where to get more from. I'm gonna throw that in my cart. I gotta get more clamps anyway. So we're gonna hook that up. But yeah, these clips will go away, and pretty much run this along the valve cover. And they sell some wire ties or zip ties that has a bolt hole. I'm gonna get those to bolt here. Make it look all fancy. But yeah, you get the idea. So first of all, I just want to say thank you guys, those of you who subscribed, who watch, who comment. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. Personal thank you to Zach for helping with my brake booster. Daquan, who came over, helped me Sunday get the motor in, and he actually put on both front coilovers. I assisted him for like probably 30 seconds, but he pretty much did it on his own. First time doing that. But hey, thank you for watching. Thank you those who are subscribing, and it's gonna have to be part 2 of this engine install and startup. So hopefully by Saturday you guys will be seeing a video turning the key. Fingers crossed, everything runs smooth. I still got to do the fuel pump. That needs to be switched out. Got to empty the tank, put new fuel in there, because the fuel in there is from 2012. It's no good. I think that's why the motor was messing up. So again, thank you guys, and I'm gonna try and go ahead and push this video out Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, so hopefully you guys will be watching this on Wednesday. But hey, thank you so much. And you guys from Wire Care, you are the best. Love you.